Kwasi adwene na ba me na adan ma do ya gada kwasi adwene na ye se adwuma no akosombo ahye ama nipa ye huru ba bia obia mbo antime angasa momia mompa ye se
kwasi adwene. Should this be coming out of the mouth of a clergy?
That is not the way to go. Onwa hum say na sem okan no anya na sore ma ne de no
because we bibia ni wa etie so nyame nipa bi beze Kofi Oduro no Oduro kwasi da obegina ne pocket so akasa all your politics sa no mapon afa na okeka Nkwasi asem na sasafo mate hodi nyem hwe no mo enye emi ase emi na ira enyira se Nkwasi akeka ya udina okekan
ebusi Osofo Kofi Oduro ono na da chopping board ni so ene nya asem ketwa wa kwakasa kosombo na ehye no ma adum so de baaye na Ghana fo amo complain no se bi munya jimi no because enya one day job obi papa na efu po no enti se obi papa kwa akofu po na kofixi a na se yedum light adenti na also complaining ene watoto wa blast Ghana for complaining over doom so ne ho pa eno na oborem movement TV ame na o ka say die Wontumi boys e wo honom omo so stress ni so gidigidi ene nyasem ketwa asore makra distribute bullet semoti asore dem ho ena se bi nsem kunu na mutie eye mo say yedem ko heaven bonsam dem pa na yedem ko wonya borem Owia TV so Omanhene enso ne na pamfo so si ne so a enya asem ketwa across Osofo we die san kona bra bi mensem na no ohye emu chemu no me de boy frame ya loudest and then the first time I wish ya me amesre wa subscribe share what in the comment section ho like video na fe yento ayekofa so on all social media pages there be about loudest abusia yembo ransom ni mo loudest enti sabeka ya na say dumso ne ho sensem na ene kakra afwen Ghana fo bufu yi ko social media na obi e kasa ema social media influencer ba ko si official kra be kan bi ema Kevin Taylor ejebo so over the weekend ko pie mo YouTube so a dumso ho sensem ne ye ko so a obetimi ahwe ye previous video ni obetimi anya bi ahwe Ghana fo busu a e kasa o mo chese e very bad eno na ko pie mo Osofo Kofi Oduro na asori ho no mo a ono de osi o wasem ka na emom eni kwa se Ghana for complaining because akosombo na ehye ye no eye adwuma kese pa eye obi papa ena ekofu po akofix akotwetwe nkane aye yi enti eni kwa se ye complaining
kwasi adwene na ba me na adan ma do ya gada Nkwasi adwene na ye se adwuma no akosombo ahye ama nipa ye huru ba bia obia mbo antime angasa momia mompa ye se akosombo no ahye no eniema be kama Kwasi adwene keka Kwasi adwene keka wunim de ya wo fie wono eye kura wo ye electrician ba no obefa cables so de ye adwuma prekopa na kanea no so na pese ye na Ghana na baby akanea ko baby ya tell me say Nkwasi adwene ke be de kata adentira mato aba Jutu abenti ya bibi say ya yenziesi edi Nkwasi adwene no politicians in the musuro manimu ntimi nka we ngiram edi Nkwasi adwene watu abenti ya yentimi nka sangira wo se asemu awu ken emfa adwene nya adwene bi anim obi papa ekofuru po akwa hwesa cable no ahye no obetimi de fofura akọ join akọ connect wo nwi obi papa no ho wutifie na wo nse hunbu na atimi keka and all that kind of thing number gina nka jo se Nkwasi adwene awo se wonti ase amen ko amen ko
ene na oborem Owia TV a Omanhene si papa we nya na 2024 be ka se dum so hard na wo preach e dum light ha ene obufu ye se ba bia ye duru asoman ye da so dum light ni a chese eye obi anwawa ene enyo mo omanfa ne ho ante no kra se de o kan ne de wanka ne yi
se di aboa ne Kwasi ane Sani amaniema no me de
the video ya grace penya video na akmene
me fi se eduru ba bia me akotaya na Asofo no nkomo ni di ya na ehmeden so hu se ye Asofo no mo ye na sinchen ne de na si wono mo as individual Kofi Oduro ene ye kana semu a fair enough but unze ya na count mi nyin sinchen o kan masa we Sofo ye nyamini pa so hu na say o waye yi but that is not the way to go. Papa Kofi Oduro sebi imprediasa ono ahun say na sem okan no anya na sore ma ne de no ka say amen na ma enti afi no so pache ma na sore ma no egina sem no so ma no because
there's a video about the same Kofi Oduro okase I didn't know mine to say at this time dumsor that was 2024
yes
ohun de ntia at this time dumsor Ghana
and the penny logical okay they are continue so be complaining when bibi koboni o say you be papa so you be ba you be nua bema so say light dum obi papa e kwa akofuru po akwa so ama ye ne ye complaining a akota se ne e kwan na ye na ye nyenwie no obi papa so na e kwa akotete ne te de aye ne ho ame ye kwan na ma ya me afa so dize kwan na yenwie ya eni kwan si ye complaining o akota penny logical work ken die papa Kofi Oduro nza mra bio nya sa na ye ka no so nya sa ene ye ka no ewo say eyi sa santi twi no kan ya sebi impredious wan kasa yi o penny
I think I've gotten the video.
Nyame pulpit so
I've gotten the video for your grace. If you can check it out.
And
the video from the Assembly.
Yes.
Na chese busia Wontumi boys no. Omo se wo Osofo Kofi Oduro asori a hwe na satra wadwen because papa no o lead you to bonsam gem. Oye hypocrite ankasa. Ebusia enya sempetwa anu den hwe bi na kire wadwen.
Na hade ba kwan ya na edi confuse ye ho. Ene brofo man of God. Ya di confuse ye ho keke. Bible say duana ba ene edi behunu duako. O kwa sorry. Enya sofo nti na o kwa sorry de but Bible say so ni friend ni kire ni friend ni kwan a. Omienu nyina akota menem. Enti nipa na wudi na chi se wo kosum nyame no. Se wonye nyame nipa na wudi na chi a wo so bagira. Enti na Bible say me man mu free ni mu. Na mo anya ne boni no bi. Na mo anya ne haw no bi. Me pa me bon se megiri me ho aye abobra pa na makọ heaven because share Kofi Oduro abonsam ji baba me ya pa. Me se ma anya me ho ankọ heaven na mko share Kofi Oduro abonsam ji baba me ya because Kofi Oduro wi se wan se santu ba bakọ abonsam ji straight. Onye nyame sofo one bit. Na de mi ya ani se nyame ma wo yira wo no mo no. Ani me sa ya me ya mo. Se innocent souls bi a Kofi Oduro achi wo mo edoma kogu na patemu. Ena odo mo ekose yimu no ane na me yamo because we bibia ni wa etire so nyame nipa bibia no etire so nyame sofo because nyame sofo kamboni anim ebre nyina mu anya politics and ordinary sorry pulpit eye se Kofi Oduro no eduru kwase ada ya mo hwe babu quotation didi okotu obedina ne pulpit so akasa sa your politics sa no mapon afena okay kan kwase asem na sasafo mate hodi nyem hwe no mo enye emi a se emi na ira enyira se kwase akeka ya ugina okay kan kwase akeka ugina nyame manimu keka we no na mo to ne ya emi ma obeyire ho obesu nyame asum nyame obeye politics aye politics obi enshow but enkoyisu nyame pulpit no so wo na wo se nyame pulpit no emfa nkoye politics wo ho na akufado de wonya kwan didi na tem na Julius Dabra ne John Muhammad ye wusi obi afrupo enti obi akokasa enti eyankwase asem ne kana wonkwase asem ogia so dem okeka no ani de nipa ne kan ne mu de na yankwase asem ba
me say can you imagine pa say akufado breso na ka chief of staff obi adi nkwase pa na chief of staff akosu akadia Kofi Oduro be yam
ezu nua okosu ye ani de wo so aya ade no jenachi o
oh dan sa me hu
no jenachi no osu no enti ade a Kofi Oduro oye no me de se wo so wo kwasore na da chi kwanje heaven ti na akwa ukọ Kofi Oduro asore jai no do kwa bonsam jem because ono no oye candidate for her this was a sunny suban wo mu sese wa sesa Kofi Oduro no bakọ her enti ukọ na chi unsu bakọ her enti na me ka se me yire mu abo brapa na mkoshia Kofi Oduro wa bonsam jem baba me ya pa suban be no enti da bia mo de mo kwasore na babo na ho kakraka no mo fe mo asem na mo tufu enye yi te say dey won ko gina so dey mu a na politics obey politics kopi so be pon no di dia tem sa na we gina this nonsense must stop na mo so musu na mo yes nonsense no I don't say.
Osofo Kofi Oduro oyenya atwom.
Be also.
Oyenya ye kaso bi yenya atwom wo Ghana. Osofo Kofi Oduro. Anyway, you see, obi enka say touch not my anointed and do my prophets no harm. Because okra microphone tia mu say o ka nyame adwene. But woni mu nyame adwene ketekete kura.
Me to ade e bia 10 cedis a. Na se sia no eye Ntumu beba, it should be about 10 points. 30 pesos.
10 pesos.
It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cedis.
2 years ago, na me turn 8 cedis. Na me turn 12 cedis. Meanwhile, so no. Ye dollar.
I am based on the analogy. Say the rate at which Nyama increasing. Say me 2024, 23%. And you know, if a Nyama be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you, Nyama ye digina so me de tu Nyama mu nyina ba fom. What is the basis?
Basic thing.
Say I was idea we ye tum petrol ye the lorry fare eto ade me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare eto ade. Because nipa ne say Nyama na ye no. So kwa kofa de akwa kogu ni shop odigu kam. Car na odigu no car ni to petrol. It was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fare mu. And then yen to petrol mu yen esokrati.
That's right.
Me boa. It is a me koto pure water. Me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago. Necessary time now a inflation one ye top petrol 14 cedis a liter. And then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12. Now inflation nam 23%. Not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day. Na me to no crown na me to pure water a bag about 8 cedis. Na se nyamia ya dom dollar na 14 cedis and 15 cedis about 11. Petrol no ate
about 2 cedis a free.
Yes, inflation no ate by 20%
point.
Let's still here 2 pure water ni ma 12 cedis here. What is the basis amode to sadi emanum? Still not PURC4 ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so and they increase light bill no water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one sa nya money in aba form. It is also for no busa this questioner well musana out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question to out of ignorance.
Me pacho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say eglo me say man kasa me on my jam me can say me say my men some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me can you say, asam na oka no. Enkyere se enyama bo enkosuru.
But the
tie je oka no want o de mapane kan say was it a body was it a penny say was it pure water ekosoro na me ka say inflation e ba for ma enka the rate at which things will be increase you know the empanifo na omonim nwuma na epense commission akache ense enka be koso akese enka ebia yeda so do na train na ebia enka inflation no enka ebia nya 3 series ne ka be ka ho say na omo ka say the rate at which things will be increase no e be ba for what you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, Yahweh, dear me, Omaka, me, and I two Amanda Maker here. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, me boy. Me come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about make can say petrol about for me. About no you trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know some money can say Pulican aba am aba ma enema na eba from no
anya aba no ne
oh unti dem making me say so they buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe ne say port wa ne ma no from kaka nyesa na omokan yes but say nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana aban no create another environment but say individual entity ne so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
he's
also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no je de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and the man 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no, the rate at which a Nema increases.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities, the inflation rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
I got 50 pesos, 30 pesos,
now,
20
now
pesos.
it is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
made it to the inflation rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflation rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflation rate no. Me want to say the increment no, with which things are increasing no. I about 27 or 28%.
Yes.
It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. And just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a David. It was a near increasing.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just no. And about 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about two single digits from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see, say,
yeah.
It will cry insignificant. It should be like 8 cities, 10 pesos. 8 cities, 20 pesos. When you free 8, I copy 12. 4 cities. Come on.
He's from me about loudest. And then the first time I will share me, Mr. Subscribing. Share in your comment section. Of course, feel free. Now, like the video. Now, pay and try and go find this on all social media pages. Baby, about loudest. But as I said, they be so supporting me. In Shroud and keep supporting Nebusia Macrow.
Up the loudest.
Loudest.